Are you ready to make this DIY? Get ready. Hey guys, so I am in Dollar Tree and I'm going to the book section. All these books are $1. So what you want to do is open up the cover, see what color it is. So this one is black. So I'm going to take this one because I'm going to need the black one. This is another black one. I'm looking for like a white one. Black. A lot of them are black or gray. No white covers. What color is that? Gray. Gray. Oh, this one is white. Let's see. Oh, this one is white. But it's like shiny. I don't know. I'll get this one too. I'm gonna get 3. Let's see about another one. I think I found another white one to replace this one. Let's see this one. Yes, this is perfect. So I'm gonna get this one instead. And then I'm gonna put this one back. And I'm going to find, oh, this is tan. This will be a good one for the gold one. It's tan. Perfect. So you definitely want to look to see what color the book cover is in order to decide what book you want, depending on your home decor that you want to do. So these are some Dollar Tree finds. So they got the arrows. This is like a Easter egg. I'm gonna get this one. And they have this one. It's like a sign. I'm gonna get that. I'm also gonna get some stickers. You're gonna see what I'm gonna use this for. Let's see what other things they have. The mug section of Dollar Tree. I got this white one and the black one up there. If you want to bedazzle your books, you can buy some of this diamond wrap and you can use a glue gun to glue it on. It's up to you. I don't like it. I would need like actual rhinestones. But they have it in the section where the ribbons are. Hey guys, so I am in Design Space right now and I have these logos. So what you would need to do is just go to google.com, click on images, and then choose the designer logo that you would like to use. So for this DIY, I have Chanel, I have Tom Ford, and I have Hermes. Okay, so the Chanel sizing, let's see. This is 5x5. It all depends on the book that you have. This is 0.8 width and 7 height. This is inches, so 0.8 inches in width and 7 inches in height. This is 5 inches in width and 5 in height. For Tom Ford, I have 3 inches in width, 2 inches in height. The next time for the width is 1.261 and the height is 0.416. You would definitely need a ruler to decide what measurements you need for your cover page, which are the larger logos, and then the smaller logos are for the bridge of the book. For her maze, this is for the bridge of the book. This is 5 inches width and then half of an inch of height. And for the cover, her maze, it's 4 inches in width and 3.225 in height. So once you have your logos, you're going to click on Make. And then when you get to the material page, you're going to want to use the material that states, when you go into the browser, you're going to type in WASHI, washi, the washi sheets. And the reason you want to use that is because when you're working with smaller font like this one, where it's 1.61 in width and 0.417 in height, it's harder if you use a different, like if you just chose regular vinyl, it's harder to cut it out without messing it up. So the best thing for you to do is use that setting and it's going to come out perfect. Choose the color scheme that you want. In my case, I'm using, let's change that because I decided to use white and gold. So I'm going to change this to white. So I use white and for her maze, and the white is going on the gold book. And for the Chanel and the Time Forward is going on the black and the white book. And that is it. So keep watching. And just like that, we are done with another video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell notification. Until next time.